7. Hey, how you doing? This is Steve of JustAL Forge. This is part 4 of my do-it-yourself hammer build. I was hoping this would be the last part, but it's not. I went up to my brother's house in Central Illinois last week. Spent the week there working on quite a bit of stuff. We got, what all we get down here? We got the ram guide assembly done, the main shaft assembly, linkage assembly, the ram, or what I prefer to call it, the BHH, the big heavy hammer. The anvil assembly here is done, mounted, welded together. The motor brake is done, but there's more on that later. Got all the bushings done. The wheel hub was turned and tapped and good to go. Yesterday I finished up the wood base. Things I have yet to do is the pedal assembly, the pedal rod assembly that comes up and connects to the wheel brake, and then the dies for the hammer itself. So a few things yet to do. We ran into a couple of problems. One, the anvil, all 687 pounds of it. We had to manhandle it to get it where we wanted it. We had to cut it, get it where we wanted. Kind of burned up the gearbox on my brother's saw, cutting this puppy. But it's level. So oddly enough, just with the band cut, the saw cut. But let me talk to you a little bit about this wheel brake assembly. With the measurements, we cut it the way it should be cut. The base that the motor sets on, we cut it according to the size in the diagram. Same way with this arm here. Everything is per the diagram. We checked it a couple times before we made it, and then once we realized the mistake, we checked it 2 or 3 more times, and it's according to the diagram. But the wheel won't fit in there. It's the right wheel, it's the right size wheel, it's the right motor. This is the part number that's in the description in the diagram, but it won't fit. This arm here needs to be about another 1.5 inches long, maybe 2. But anyway, so I'll need to take this to make a new one, a little bit longer, and it's just basically a process of finalizing it, putting it all together. But that's unfortunately going to have to wait. I have a medical procedure coming up in the next couple of days, and that is going to put me on a back burner for about 5 to 6 weeks before I can get back out here and lift anything more than 5 pounds. So this is where I'm at. I got the frame done. Looks pretty. It's sitting right where it's going to sit forever. The only thing that's going to move this thing is an earthquake. Hope you enjoy the video. It's going to be speeded up a little bit. A lot of bits and pieces are not in the video because it's just, like I might show you where I welded one corner of the anvil. I'm not going to show you all 4 corners because they're all the same. I'm going to show you where I welded one of these parts in here. I'm not going to show you all 4 of them. Hope you enjoy watching. Like I say, go out to your shop, make something. If you don't have a shop, make a shop. Men should make things. It's the purest form of masculine toxicity. So there. Enjoy. You know, that does look like a block of government cheese. The cheese might be a little heavier. And then you're going to have, this is obviously the part where Okay, if you have watched to the end, I greatly appreciate it. It means a lot. If you have a mind to, and if you'd be so kind, click the like button. Subscribe would be greatly appreciated, and leave a comment. Let me know I'm not out here talking to space. This project has been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of work. I greatly appreciate the assistance of my brothers. All of them have helped one way or another. I greatly appreciate it, and I really look forward to getting this thing going. It's going to be a bit. Like I say, I have a surgery coming up. It's going to take Medicommission for quite a while. But once I'm back up to snuff, I'm going to finish this project, and I'll put the final piece of this together and let you see how it works out. Again, I appreciate you watching, and I hope you subscribe, hope you like, leave a comment. Go out and make something. That's what men do. Have a great day.